Hello, everybody. This message is going out to all of my channels. Um, so, there'll be some things said that typically don't apply to one channel but do apply to another. Um, this, if you're following the art channel and getting this video on the art channel, we are a Christian family. I have another channel that is actually where I share messages of our faith. And that channel would be Carrying the Cross with Greg. But we've found ourselves in an awkward situation. Um, we've fallen under hard times, which a lot of people have in today's world. Let me get to where maybe I can get more constant light. And so it appears that even though we're not prepared for it, oh, tripped over a rock, the Lord is leading us to another physical location. So with that said, things are going to be a little difficult. As far as Carrying the Cross with Greg goes, I do still have some footage on stock that I can schedule out. The art channels, carrying G&J Chapel Artworks, are going to probably get hit the hardest. Because obviously packing means that supplies for that channel are getting packed as well. We'll try to update as much as we can. Try to get a few projects out for you, but overall, there's going to be some delays and difficulties, but we will get through it, and we'll be back to our normal posting schedule as soon as possible.